What's going on, guys? Nathan with Technology Smash back with another video, and today I have something pretty cool. I reached out to this company because I was seeing their cases online, and this is a little bit of a unique phone case. I'm holding this Apple Pencil right now because I have my iPad right here and I have their website info up. So this is called Pela case. And this case is focused on the environment and making sure that we stop using so much plastic in things like our phone cases. So it's in this packaging because what I didn't realize, which makes a lot of sense now, is that they don't use plastic. So when I first opened this, what I didn't expect was that the case would just be, right there. There's nothing else to hold it. This whole thing is made out of a recyclable cardboard that you can put into the recycle, and then you have the case, and there's some info in here that I thought was pretty cool, so I left everything as is to kind of talk about it. So thank you for helping us create a waste-free world. You can track your waste at pela.earth/track. But a couple of the key points on here which I thought was really unique: when you're done with this case, you can place it in your compost, you can place it in a collection in municipal compost programs where approved, or you can send it back to Pela for recycling. So I thought that was pretty interesting. They have a bunch of different cases on their website. This is the one that I picked out, and you can see it has like a bee pattern. A lot of them are environment focused, so there's stuff about the earth. In this case, bees, because from everything that I've read and heard about, scientists say that if bees go, then we are not far behind. So that's what this focuses on. And so a little bit of info about the case. And on the inside here, it says designed in Canada, is for the iPhone 11 Pro, which is the phone I have, and it's made with plants. And you can see that info right there. So a little bit on their website, they are saying that the compostable phone cases and zero waste screen protector that they sell have raised more than $125,000 for their 1% for the Planet partners. In 2019, they wanted to raise $250,000 to help protect coastlines, oceans, parks, and wild animals. I don't know how far they got or how close they got on that $250,000, but this is, something like this is kind of noble to have a mission outside of just making money. I like companies that do that. Something like when Tom's first started, they were donating a pair of shoes for everyone bought. I'm sure they still do that, but before they were known, that was their big difference from everybody else. So a couple of other things, and I have the iPad here to kind of show. They have also a zero waste. Let me get this screen dim down. They also sell, and I feel like I've seen it before, they say they're the first of their kind, but they sell a zero waste screen protector. It's literally a liquid that you place on the screen. It spreads out, and that's kind of what protects you from scratches. With an average of 4 pieces of plastic per screen protector, which is absolutely true. You peel off the one layer, then you have the actual screen protector, you have plastic that holds the wipes and things like that. They're kind of eliminating all of that. They have a list of their partners on here. I'll link their information in their website below. They have an Instagram. But some of their products, they also sell sunglasses and some accessories. But under their phone cases, you can see there is a ton of options that they have. So I know that this is for an iPhone 11 Pro, so I can kind of show you guys. They have some seasonal ones that are not around for the whole time, limited edition B cases, which is what I have. They just have a bunch of cool designs. So like I said, I'll link their info down below. And again, they're claiming and they're saying and talking about just how much phone cases are thrown out every year that creates waste. So they're biodegradable. You can throw them in compost, and they won't do that. So they say they have 528,112 people who've made the switch. And the reviews and things that I've seen, people say that it's still a good protective case. I'm trying to find their info that I was seeing just on how many that they send out, how much they, how many how many phone cases are thrown out every year. But you guys can kind of look through this info if you want for their website. But again, really cool and different thing that I haven't really seen a lot of, maybe not first of its kind, but I haven't really seen a ton of. Let me just get my plastic case off of there now. I have a busted screen protector on here that you can see. It's chipped here and here. You might not be able to see because I didn't want to take it off because I wanted to show that it should fit with this just to make sure. But it's real flexible. Really feels just like a phone case. It doesn't feel strange in any way. It's actually really soft. Kind of put it in like that. And yeah, it fits the screen protector just fine, just like most cases do now. And it has nice clicky buttons on each side. You can see the cutout is perfect. I like the way that it looks. That's a really cool design with the honeycomb and the bees, and those little flecks are part of the material that the phone case is made out of. You can see the cutouts on the bottom are just fine. The buttons are covered. And yeah, so basically what you're doing with something like this is you're eliminating the plastic that it took to make another phone case. So we all have a lot of these kind, and you know, this isn't always an option for everybody, but this is a choice you can make if you want to, either, you know, even if you just like the phone styles or the cases. But this company does have a mission, and that mission is clear on what they want to, you know, put out into the world, that they don't want to have plastic everywhere for everything. So give them a look if you are interested. Thanks to them for sending this case out to me so that I could do this video. But yeah, really nice phone case. I'm actually gonna keep this on my phone for the time being until probably something else comes around. But I'm not hating this in any way. This is actually really nice. I like the soft. It's very grippy. And the design is really cool. Check out their website. There is a ton of them. Like I said, they are very cool, and I like a lot of those designs. This is just the one that I went with because I had to pick one. So give them a look. Otherwise, that does it for this one, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Later.